Welcome to the Open Compute Project Telecom Entering Workshop. I am I'm Bill Carter, the CTO for the organization. We actually have several other folks from the foundation that are with me today. I'd just like to do some quick introductions. Our CEO, Robbie Bullock, is in the back. Our Director of Communications, Dirk, is in the back. Stephanie handles all of our marketing and events, planning and stuff. Does some of the things I probably did. Let's see, did I catch Brian? I just should take this off the Yale. Really good. We have Brian Levesh. He runs the Telco project. Let's see if I'm good.
Hello.
Okay.
I apologize for the technical difficulties.
Okay.
I probably like this one better.
Okay, that's okay. No problem. Test 1, 2. Hello, hello. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. For a few more minutes.
Test, 1, 2, 1, 2, a little too loud. Now, down just a little bit. Okay. There we go. Okay, before we get started, I have a little disclaimer I gotta go through. So we're an open source community. Our mission is to foster collaboration, innovation in and around the data center environment. It can't be possible without, if there's fears that our participants will share information or ideas that we have to make sure it's okay to share those information in a collaborative environment. That could be in person, meetings like this, over the phone, webinars, so on, without facing threats of claims to those ideas later on. So we have the 3 very strict principles that we ask that you follow. First off, by providing feedback during this event, whether written in an oral form, you and your organization, if you're attending on behalf of an organization, grants OCP and its members the irrevocable right to use feedback for any purpose without further obligation to you or your organization. We are planning to videotape this session, and it's actually being live streamed as we speak. Stephanie's organizing that over the corner. We want to make sure that that information's in order to be more inclusive, the open community contributors who are not being able to attend. So we're going to live stream. By the way, we have protocols. We also record that and post that. So this is consistent with how we run the organization. And finally, you hereby consent to and authorize the use of any of the photographs, video images, or audio that's taken today, including derivative works thereof, and any reproduction of them in any form or any media whatsoever throughout the world. Hope everybody understands that. Good, let's move on. So we got a full agenda today. First off, how many people have never attended a OCP event? Raise your hands. We got a few newcomers. Okay, welcome. How many people would classify themselves on the consumer side? In other words, they work with carriers. Raise your hands. Okay. How many people are on the supplier side? So, by the way, I asked that question, and I'm hoping that you kind of look around. So, once again, how many people are on the supplier side? Okay. Kind of look around and see who you are, and if those people that aren't raising their hand right now, they're on the consumer side. One of the things that we found with these entering workshops, And I know that if you're on the supply side, it would be great to have all your customers here and give you an opportunity to sell hardware to those customers. But it's just as important that you recognize who else is in this community. We can't deliver data center solutions by ourselves. We need to work with collaborative partners. And my experience since being part of Open Compute since 2011 is that relationships are built in these workshops. We start off by sharing product ideas. Those product ideas evolve into specifications. And along that way, we find fellow travelers that are interested in collaborating on spec. They want to collaborate on or have plans to go to market on a similar product, but they find that if they can share in the development of the common spec, that it increases the interest level and eventually the adoption of that product. And so it's very important to recognize that although we may view other people in the room as potential competitors, they're also collaborators in the Open Partner Foundation. And so again, encourage you to view that as an opportunity. Use today to talk with the folks in the room. Use today to understand how you can work together to develop business opportunities to deliver open solutions to the market worldwide. And having just come back from a 2-week tour over Asia, a chance to meet lots of people, I'll tell you there's a ton of opportunities for open hardware. I'm very excited about that. So I'm going to hand the microphone over to Andrew Ullman. He's first on our agenda, and talk about some specifications and products that they contributed during last year. And again, these sessions, the ideally is free, open discussion, feedback. Try to be as inclusive as you're willing to, and we're all going to get a lot more out of it if we can do that in the next couple of hours. Yeah, there's a